Hi, I'm Sam, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a routine that I've specifically designed to increase your beep test score. So what are we going to be working on? We are going to be working on CV, leg endurance, and also your core. Leg endurance, so you don't have to worry about your legs getting tired during the beep test. Your core, so when you're running from end to end on the turn, you're going to find it a lot easier. And also CV, because you need to get fitter in order to increase your score on the beep test. So we're going to do 6 exercises, 10 reps of each exercise. We're going to do it for 3 rounds. We're going to crack on right now. First exercise, walkouts with a press up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next exercise, pulse squats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next, down, ups, in, outs. So, down, up, in, out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. No problem. Next, pulse raises. These are 4 count pulse raises, high knees, pumping the arms. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next we got sprawls. So sprawls, you're going to drop to the ground, jump back up into a boxing stance. So let's go. Sprawl. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Now we've got CrossFit sit-ups. You can flatten your feet together, reach through. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's round 1 complete, no problem. If you have to stop here, stop here. It's no problem. The next time you do it, try and get through 1 round and 1 exercise in the next round. It's no problem. Just work to your own ability. Okay, back onto walkouts. Let's go. One. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. Pull squats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Down, up, in, out. Here we go. Down, up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Pulse raises. 4 counts. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now into sprawls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Sit-ups. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Round 2. Done. Okay. If you need a drink or anything, pause the video, take a drink, back in. Round 3. Final round. Here we go. Walkouts. 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Pull squats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Down, up, in, out. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next, sprawls. Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Sit-ups. 1, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. And that is 3 rounds, hard work, fast, furious, and that's how it gets in the big test. Do this workout no more than twice, 3 times a week. Don't be practicing the big test any more than twice a week either. Completely unnecessary. You'll burn yourself out. Practice the big test once. It'll probably be best for you a week, same time, same day, each week. That'll be perfect. Do this, mixed in with some long distance running, mixed in with some hill sprints. You'll be absolutely fine for the assessment centre. Good luck from me, and see you soon. Bye.